Hi, I'm Carl from Advanced Kart. Just going to have a quick run over the Sonic SKS and hooking cradle today. This one is the standard, which is available for £40, but there is an XL version which is available for £55 too. Okay, we'll start with the end. There's a small pocket, Velcro pocket on the end here, perfect for anything like your kart care, your Medicare kits, anything like that. It's secured with 6 Velcro straps all the way around, so once the fish is inside, there is no way it can escape. There is a small viewing hole in the top as well. I actually use mine to store quite a few items. Got scales and a bucket there, a couple of sacks and a weigh sling as well. Inside's very padded, it's quite thick. It does fold down as well if you wanted to. Simply Velcro the sides out, fold that piece down and it will all fold in. The pad in the bottom is removable as well, so it makes it quick to dry. And then at the bottom it's just mesh, so that any water will drain straight through.